Madison, what do you got? Madison, what are you doing? You just took the whole cake out of the fridge? And you're just going to eat it in bed? At 11 o'clock at night? I think it's bedtime.
But this cake.
Madison, you can't be just sticking your fingers in the cake.
Oh, it's not. See? They're not sticky.
Well, how are you eating the cake?
I'll take it in the room and then it's walking.
The cake walked in your room?
Uh-huh. No, I did.
Oh.
And then I sneaked up on you.
I think we need to sneak the cake back in the fridge.
I'm just gonna eat this bunch of cake, and then Bunny's gonna show it to you.